Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. If you've had your UK visitor visa application refused, don't worry. You might still have a chance to overturn that decision by writing an appeal letter. Today, I'll guide you step by step through writing a strong UK visitor visa appeal letter, making sure it follows the exact format needed for a formal reconsideration request. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to clearly present your case, address the reasons for refusal, and provide additional evidence to strengthen your appeal. Let's get started. Your contact information. The first thing you need to include in your letter is your full contact details. This section ensures that UK visas and immigration can easily identify your appeal and reach you if necessary. Example: your name, your address, city postal code, email address, phone number. It's important to ensure that your details are accurate and up to date. Any errors here could delay your appeal or prevent UKVI from contacting you. Date. Next, include the date on which you are submitting your appeal letter. Example: date 17th March 2025. The date helps UKVI track when your appeal was submitted and ensures it is reviewed in a timely manner. Recipient's information. Now, address the letter to the appropriate UK Visas and Immigration Office. Example: UK Visas and Immigration. Address of the UKVI Office, United Kingdom. Make sure you enter the correct address for the specific office handling visa appeals. If you're unsure about this, check the UK government's official website or refer to the details in your visa refusal letter. Subject line. Your subject line should clearly state the purpose of your letter. Example: subject, appeal against UK visitor, visa refusal, your full name. This makes it immediately clear to the reader what the letter is about, helping UKVI process your appeal efficiently. Salutation. Begin your letter with a formal greeting. Example: Dear Sir or Madam. Since you may not know the name of the officer handling your appeal, Dear Sir or Madam is an appropriate and respectful way to address them. Opening paragraph, stating the purpose of your appeal. Your opening paragraph should clearly state why you are writing this letter. Example: I am writing to formally appeal the decision to refuse my UK visitor visa application, which I submitted on date of application, under reference number visa application reference number. I respectfully request a reconsideration of my application, as I believe that my circumstances meet the eligibility criteria, and that the refusal may have been based on a misunderstanding or insufficient supporting documents. This introduction is important because it immediately informs UKVI of your appeal, providing key details like your application reference number and the date of your original submission. It also signals that you are confident your application met the requirements, encouraging the officer to take a second look. Body paragraph 1. Explaining the purpose of your visit. The next paragraph should clearly explain the purpose of your trip to the UK and demonstrate that your intentions were genuine. Example: the primary purpose of my visit to the UK is state purpose, such as tourism, visiting family, attending an event. I had planned to travel from intended travel date to intended return date and had made all necessary arrangements, including mentioned flight bookings, accommodation, travel itinerary, or sponsorship details. I have strong personal and financial ties to your home country and have no intention of overstaying my visa. This paragraph helps UKVI understand why you applied for the visa in the first place. Be specific about your travel plans and provide details that prove you are a legitimate visitor. For example, if you are visiting a family member, mention their name, relationship to you, and whether they are sponsoring your trip. If you are attending an event, include details such as the event name, date, and any registration confirmation you received. Most importantly, emphasize your ties to your home country. This reassures UKVI that you have strong reasons to return home and are not at risk of overstaying your visa. Body paragraph 2. Addressing the reason for refusal. This is the most important section of your letter, where you respond to the reason given for your visa refusal. Example: the refusal letter stated that my application was denied due to state the reason mentioned in the refusal letter, such as insufficient financial proof, lack of strong ties to home country. However, I would like to clarify that explain why the reason is incorrect or how you can provide additional proof. I have enclosed supporting documents, including mention new or additional documents being submitted, such as bank statements, employment letters, sponsorship letters, proof of property ownership, etc., which I hope will address any concerns regarding my eligibility. In this section, carefully analyze the refusal letter you received and directly address the concerns mentioned. If your application was rejected due to insufficient financial proof, provide updated bank statements or employment verification letters that confirm your financial stability. If the reason was weak ties to your home country, submit documents proving your employment, business ownership, family responsibilities, or property ownership. The goal here is to correct any misunderstandings and strengthen your appeal with solid evidence. Body paragraph 3. Reassuring compliance with UK immigration rules. After addressing the refusal reason, it's crucial to reassure UKVI that you fully understand and respect their immigration policies. Example, I assure you that I fully respect UK immigration laws and will comply with all visa conditions. My visit is solely for restate purpose, and I am committed to returning to your home country as planned. I kindly request that my application be reviewed again in light of the additional evidence provided. This paragraph reinforces your sincerity and willingness to follow visa rules. Clearly stating that you will return home as planned strengthens your appeal, showing UKVI that you are a low-risk visitor. Closing paragraph, expressing gratitude and next steps. End your letter with a polite closing statement. Example, thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to your positive response. Please let me know if any further information is required. This keeps your letter professional and open-ended, letting UKVI know that you're willing to provide any additional information they might need. Sign off. Example, sincerely your full name. A simple, formal closing is best. Avoid informal sign-offs like best regards or thank you, and that's it. You now know how to write a UK visitor visa appeal letter step by step. This letter is your chance to present your case clearly and provide the right evidence to support your appeal, so take your time to write it properly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Writing Practices, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. I wish you the best of luck with your appeal, and I'll see you in the next video.